Hi guys, Brendan from Steve Sorensen Mechanical here. Today just going to show you a quick one to do with a common fault on Hyundai diesel turbos. Okay, so just really quickly, so we've got a Hyundai iMax here, diesel 2.5 litre. Really common on these to blow the turbos. So I'll show you what you usually come up against. The impeller there can just move all around. You can do the same to the exhaust side. So basically the bearing has collapsed in there. Pretty standard thing, you know, the turbo's gone. Luckily this one hasn't taken out the engine, you know, bits haven't flown through or anything like that. Now, two main things that you really want to check when you're changing these. First one, the intercooler, they tend to leak, but that's more going to give you an overspeed condition, and in that case you'd likely see damage to the impeller if it had oversped. In our case, it's the oil pickup that is the problem. So don't just go putting a turbo on, even though this one, you can start the car and it has good oil pressure coming out of the feed line. Once they get up on the highway a few more RPM, it's going to struggle to get oil there. So I'll show you the pickup in this one. So not the best focus there, you know, pretty hard to see, but if you can get in there, you'll start to see quite a lot of coking inside there, even a couple of tiny little bits of metal, and these are very common for blowing the turbos. Also a common complaint for just out of the blue, the engines blowing up. No oil pressure light, no warnings, nothing like that, and it's just because they struggle to pick up oil. The main thing that's going to cause that is going to be your injector copper washers where it seals in the combustion chamber. So this is one of the cars that I would definitely recommend, at a minimum, every 100,000 kilometers taking those injectors out and replacing the sealing washers in there, and that's going to stop combustion gases getting into your oil, coking up the oil pickup, causing either a turbo or an engine failure. One to look out for, so make sure you don't get caught out in the future. Happy New Year, our first video back. Hopefully we'll see everyone, few comments and everyone subscribing. We'll have a great year and hopefully we'll give you some tips throughout.